Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today I'll be learning how to draw Stitch as a Labubu doll. So first we're going to get started with the bottom of the head on the top. So we're going to curve this line in, up, and across. And then we're going to start back on this line, curving this down, up, and then over, just replicating that shape. We're going to close off the inside of the head now, so we're going to draw in an oval, curving this around, and then in towards the center. And then we're going to flip across to the right and replicate that. Now we're going to move in towards the top, drawing in the nose. So we're going to draw in another oval, curving this around, and then in. For the nostrils, we're going to blend this over, curving this across on both sides. Now from here for the eyes, stepping over on the right, we're going to curve this line over and up. We'll do the same, lining that up at the same height on the left. Now on the inside, we're going to arch this line around and then down in the corner. Moving over towards the inside, let's replicate that shape. So we're going to curve this across on the bottom. And then starting back on the inside, arching this around, and then down on the corner. Now on the top, we're going to draw in a nice big circle of both eyes. Now let's draw in the rest of the Stitch's head. So as we come over towards the left, we're going to curve this line out and then in for the hair. Again, from that center line, we're going to curve this line across, arching this down on the right. And then we're just going to do that again one more time, just making that smaller. Now from here, let's close this off. So on the left, we're going to arch this line all the way around, blending that back in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same on the right. Now let's draw on Stitch's ears. So on the right, we're going to arch this line up, bringing this further down. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line up, and just curving that line across. Now on the side, we're going to draw in a sideways triangle. We'll do the same in the open space on the top left. And then from that corner, just continuing to bring this line in towards the side of the head. Now as you move in towards the top of the ear, curving this line down. Now let's move in and draw in the Labubu's face. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a curved line, arching that across for the top of the eye. And then coming underneath, we're going to draw in a nice big oval, connecting that from left to right. Now from the inside corner, arching this across and over. And then on the top, just drawing in a nice big circle. For the nose in the center, drawing in a small arch line. And then on the bottom, just closing that off, curving that from left to right. For the mouth, let's draw in a nice big arch line, bringing this all the way over and up. And now for the teeth, we're just going to draw in small triangles at the same size as we come all the way over and up on the right. Now let's move down and draw on the body. So for the arms, we're going to curve this line down on both sides. We're going to draw in a zigzag pattern, drawing 3 triangles in total as we come over. Now closing off the side of the torso, arching this line down. And then again, bringing this line out and then in. Let's draw on the hand now. So for the thumb, we're going to bring this line out and then in on a diagonal. And then again, from the bottom here, just drawing in 3 triangles in total as we close off our hands. Now in the center, moving up, we're going to draw in an arch line. And then just a small diagonal line that comes out on both sides. Now from here in the center, we're going to curve this line out. And then again, just 3 triangles in total as we come over. On the inside, curving this line over for the feet. And then we'll do the same on the outside. And then again, just a zigzag pattern as we come all the way over, creating 3 triangles for the toes. And that is it. That's how you draw Stitch as a Labubu doll. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or change your colors up. And that is it. That's how you draw Stitch as a Labubu doll. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.